Good morning, students. How are you all? I think everyone safe at home. Well, today we are going to see the first lesson. The topic is living and non-living things. Okay. The topic of the first lesson is living and non-living things. Okay. See here. See in the picture, one tree is there. One girl is having that teddy bear with her. One dog is there. So here, can you identify what are the living things? Yes, which is having the life with that one, that is known as living thing. So here the girl is a living thing, dog is a living thing, and tree also living thing. So which here in this picture, which is don't have the life? Yes, teddy bear don't have the life with it, no. So teddy bear, box and all example for the non-living things. Now we are going to see elaborately about the living things and non-living things. Okay, good. So first one, living things eat, grow, move, and have young ones. They also breathe and feel. See the picture? First one, play. Yeah, living things play, no? So PLAY, play. Next one, living things grow. Man will grow, no? So living things grow. Next one, eat. Here that girl eating, no? That girl doing work. So this is all the example for living things. So living thing eat, grow, move, and have young ones. They also breathe and feel. Okay, next one, living things eat. See here that boy eating, that bird also eating, the cow also eating, no? So these are the examples for living things. Well, see here, living things grow. Living things grow. See here, plant is growing, no? See here, very small plant is here, it is growing. See the steps of growing. See, so living things grow. Living things grow. See here, small babies there, no? Next one, next stage is crawling. Next one, moving, walking, and last one going to office. Last one, last stage of the manners, that old stage. So these are the examples for living things. So living things grow. First one, living things eat, living things grow. See here, see the sequence, plant a seed and watch it grow. So when we plant a seed, after some days it will grow, no? See the picture, from the seed small plant is coming. So you have to mark it here, which one will come first. First one, seed, how the plant is coming from the seed by stage, that one you have to mark it. Okay, next one, see here you have to mark it, which that one which need food to live. Here dog, monkey and elephant are the example for living things that will need food, no? So for that only you have to put tick. For the other and all non-living things, example for non-living things. Next one, living things move from one place to another. Move, MOVE, move. Horse, HORSE, horse. Here sink, bird, skink and bird. Earthworm also moving from one place to another. So these are the examples. Next one, living things have young ones. Living things have young ones. See that a cheetah, a lion, and these are having the young ones. Next one, last one, living things experience sensation, that having feelings. So living things experience sensations. Living things breathe. So we saw what are the characters of the living things, no? So living things eat, living things, what we saw, living things eat, grow, move, and have young ones. They also breathe and feel. Okay. See, next we are going to see about the non-living things. First we saw about living things. Now we are going to see about non-living things. This is a very very important one. So watch it carefully. Okay, so first one, non-living things. So non-living things don't eat, don't grow, don't breathe, don't have young ones, don't feel, don't move. These are the characters of the non-living things. For example, here they have given, for example, book, pencil, bag, that one, book, eraser, sharpener, that one, don't eat, no, don't eat, don't grow, don't move, don't feel, don't breathe, don't have young ones. So these are the examples for non-living things. Okay, next one, see the picture of mountain. See, this is a picture of mountain, river, pond and lake. Mountains are made up of rocks and soil. Mountains are made up of rocks and soil. The river, pond and lake are full of water. See how the river is coming from the mountain. So soil and water help plants to grow. We get our food from plants. We breathe air. So without air can we live? No, it is not possible to live without air. Like that, what are the importance for our daily living? First one is water. Without water it is not possible to live in the world. So water, air. So we breathe air daily, no? We breathe air. So air, water and soil are non-living things. So it is not possible to live without them, no? Next one, see the picture of sea. So there are so many living things in it. We can find so many living things, fish, starfish, like that. So many colorful fishes are there, no? Yes. So last one is rhyming time only. So that's all for this lesson. So what we learned from this lesson? We learned about living thing and non-living things in this lesson. Okay, so again I'm repeating. So living things eat, eat, eat. Living things grow, grow, grow. Living things move, move, move and have young ones. And they also breathe and feel. Okay, no, but non-living things don't eat, don't move, don't feel, don't grow, don't breathe, don't have young ones. So we saw in this lesson, we studied about what are the characters of the living and non-living things. Okay, so thank you. This one read. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you. Bye.